Morning guys, very quick one this morning. Earbuds, what do you do? I've never really used them, but someone gave me a pair of those Apple earbud things, and they only lasted about a week. They kept falling out. You put ear defenders on, they knock out, dropped them. Oh, they were hopeless. They packed up within a week. So then I bought myself a pair of these, round your neck job. Really good, only cost me about 12 quid on Amazon. Really good, but again, taking things on and off, the cables get caught up sometimes. But the amount of phone calls I've missed, you know, you're grinding away, you've got your ear defenders on, can't hear the phone. So, out of coincidence, this company, Tozo, they just sent me these. It's an American company, believe it or not, but they are made in China. Little discreet ones that apparently fit right inside your ears, so we're going to give them a go, see how they get on. Okay, let's have a little look. Alright, so we've got your little charging cable, some different or spare and different size earplugs that go on the ends. That you scan that to activate your warranty. Can't get it all out. Obviously got your instructions. Let's have a little look. Get it out of here. There we go. Yeah, they're pretty dinky. They activate as you take them out of the case, and oh, we've got a little cover over the charger. Let's see how they fit. Well, don't know if you'll be able to see that in there. Fits nicely by the fit. It feels nice. It's right in, out the way. So, let's get some sounds going, see how they go. Right, so I put them in, turn my phone on, opened up the Bluetooth, and immediately you can see they're there, Tozo, and it's connected. So let's see if we can put some sounds in. Let's try my favourite Stations app. Let's see, we've got Greatest Hits Radio. Good old Ken Bruce. Come on, connect. Yes. Wow. I know you can't hear this, but the sound is pretty good. Yeah, let's try out some other functions. Okay, so I've still got the music on. It's not quite as bassy as I'd like, but it's perfectly okay. It's for the price of them. I think they're only about 20 quid or something, 25, 30 quid. They're, yeah, perfectly acceptable. They're nice and discreet. They're well inside your ear. Putting on headphones, defenders, piece of cake. Don't feel like you're going to knock them out. They don't feel like they're going to drop out. You've got all sorts of controls, left and right. Hang on, let me just... That's it, turn the music off so I can, I can actually read the instructions. You can go to previous songs. This is if you're listening on like a playlist of your own. You can do previous song, volume up, volume down, pause, play, answer your phone, hang up your phone, volume up, volume down, next song, reject your phone calls. Do all that usual sort of stuff on these. And I don't quite know how long they take to charge. I haven't actually found out what it says about that. But I'm guessing not very long. These things don't normally take that long. And they will charge in the case, so you can charge the case up, and then when you put them back in the case, they charge from the case. So yeah, I'm impressed. So go and give them a look. I'll put just link in the description, and let's hope some of you enjoy them. As I say, I've never used these sort of things before, but I'm getting used to it, and I quite like it because the amount of phone calls I've missed. Give them a go. Thanks, Tozo.